Yeah, well done. Down.
That second lot just smacked into the back end of his body, didn't it?
Yeah. It was behind on the first one again. That's him down. Yep. Got it with the third.
I thought he was going to land on your hat.
Nice shot. Oh, nice shot. You hit the second one as well, but it didn't drop. Well done. Oh shit! Shoot, shoot, shoot! Well done. Well, you hit him twice.
Sorry, John.
You hit him twice, he'll go down behind. Oh.
Shot.
Missed the second one. Keep still. Just helped it land. He's down. Just the other side of the oak. Oh, die. Come on, behave yourself.
You got to go. Okay, now.
He's trying. God loves a tryer. That's where he got to.
Oh, yes. Let me go and grab him as a shot.